What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Empire Motor Club vlog. Today, I'm going to be updating you guys about my Nissan GTR. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is install the Kline Innovation inconel system. I'm not going to install the downpipes or a catless Y pipe yet, although Kline Innovation has gratefully sent me those as well, but I will be installing the 100 cell catalytic converters on the Kline Innovation inconel Y pipe. And I'm gonna be installing the inconel center section as well as the rear section. Before we go and do that, I will be going to CPA Performance to get a baseline dyno to see how healthy this car is. And then after the installation at CPA, we're gonna be putting the car back on the dyno to see how much power it has gained. But let me tell you something about the model year 17 and up Nissan GTRs. They are brilliant. They are so nice to drive. I love the transmission. And I have to admit, this is the car that I've been driving every single day. But more on that later, because all of you guys want to know more about the EMC, the Empire Motor Club Mini Bat. 这个打猫棒. I know it's been sold out for a while. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. However, we have these back in stock now. Same thing with the iconic EMC shield, as well as the Empire Motor Club Racing logo. So while supplies last, go to our link below, order your Empire Mini Bat right now with the new t-shirts as a bundle package, or you have the option of getting the Empire Shield hats. Right here, as you guys can see, these are the brand new Empire Racing logo t-shirts. We have also the Empire Shield logo hats in black and white, as well as the white EMC hat. So what's new about these t-shirts is the back. We obviously have updated the Shield logo design as well as the Empire Motor Club logo right here. Hope you guys like it. So obviously this bundle package will come with the EMC bat. So here is the coupon code. Remember, go to our link while supplies last and use the coupon code for an extra special Empire Motor Club discount. All right, people, let's get the show on the road. Let's go to CPA and go install the Kline Innovation exhaust. Peace. What's up, everyone? So they were just taking off all the under panels of the GTR before it gets on the dyno, before we strap it down. As you can see, this is right under the rear diffuser. This is all carbon fiber. I mean, this is really cool. It's really well made. As you can see, there's a couple ducts because for cooling purposes. We also had to take the underside of the front bumper off, which is right here. As you can see on the bottom, is that obviously there's a lot of scrapes. It protects the under part of the front of the car, and I guess for the airflow and the aerodynamic, it kind of flows from the front all the way to the rear, so that is really cool. I'm excited, man. I want to see what kind of numbers we put down, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the Kline Innovation exhaust in 1 second. All right, I just talked to the boss, Xiaohe. We have a couple charts pulled up and I'll explain to you guys what just happened. Hey, I'm thoroughly impressed with the 2018 Nissan GTR engine. So let me tell you guys what the 2017 and ups have. The non-Nismo version, 565 horsepower and 467 pounds of torque, which equals to about 64.1 kg of torque. And for the comparison, as you can see, the 2012, they pulled about 436 horsepower at the wheels, all-wheel drive, and torque, they have about 54.1 kg. Now our first pull, we got 509 at the wheels. 509 at the wheels. On average, you know, it's a little bit less. We did a couple pulls at 502, 502. Obviously we got 630, 635, 628. We had a 640, but as you can see, there's a big difference between the 2017s and up and the 2012s. So big ups to Nissan, and hey, I'm thoroughly satisfied. Now we're gonna get on with the Kline Innovation exhaust and see what numbers we put down later. Let's go check it out. Alrighty, so Kline Innovation sent me the whole system, all made by Inconel 625. It starts with the downpipes, which as you can see is all hand welded, which is really, really dope. I mean, you can even see it inside the welding. I mean, this is just superb. I am not going to install the downpipes because I do not have a tune yet. So what we're gonna do is install these Y pipes. It's so light, even with the cats, with the HJS 100 cell cats. And as you can see, this is such brilliantly made, and the finish is just so amazing. I don't know if you can tell, but the 100 cell cats are in here. The honeycomb is cool, it's free flowing. We can use this without a tune. So that is really cool, but when I do get a tune, I will probably just go catless because this is what everyone uses. So these are catless 625 Inconel, made by Kline. So light. I mean, I don't even feel it in my biceps. It's gotta be heavier, guys, but this is so cool. It's very thin, very sturdy, very strong, obviously super heat resistant. The Y pipes will lead to the center section. I hope that they have a weight, a scale or something. I'm gonna weigh this compared to the stock, but this is the center section right here. So this is 89 millimeters. So that is 76 going to 89. We did not do 90. I did not ask for 100 or 101. I don't need it. So right now it's 76 to 89. The rear section with the hangers, I'm just gonna get up by the hangers right here. Oh, that's super light. As you can tell, the Kline shield right here, hey, it matches perfectly with the Empire Motor Club shield. So this is really cool, and I love how they got the shield welded on. All right, right here, Kline Innovation CL007007 and 003182, made in Romania. All right, so this will lead to these tips. This carbon fiber, Kline. Hey, I love this. Let's get this on. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see how much this system weighs compared to the stock. Let's get a dyno. All right, I'm about to show you guys something that I never let anyone know. 81.5 with clothes on and shoes on. All right, 94, 92.1, 85.1, 85.1, 85.1. We got 91.4 kg, so that is still a little bit lighter. So the final verdict right now, based on the 100 cell cats, we are over 7 kg lighter than the stock titanium system. That is fucking impressive. All right, guys. Come check this out. See, the cats are right here. Just want to point out that the HJS cats, even though these are 100 cell, these are kind of wide. They're not too wide, but they're a little bit wide. But that's good. They're 100 cell inside, but it's wide, so that means it's very free flowing. Sometimes you'll see like 400 cell, but because of all the emissions right now, so sometimes it's probably, stock might be even 600, 700, I'm not sure, I have to check. With 700 cell, you'll see like a tiny bunch of little dots in there, kind of like honeycombs, but the flow will get stuck in there. So this is 100 cell, and the cats are actually, you know, kind of big. Hey, airflow. All right, so everything's installed. We've adjusted the carbon fiber tips. We're gonna go get the dyno going, but before, I'm gonna start the car up and see how it is. Right, we've got some sound to it now. It sounds really good. Sounds a little throaty, not too high pitched. Hey, I'm gonna let it settle in for a little while. I'm sure it's gonna sound better, but let's hear what it sounds like on the dyno. But I am super, super pumped. I'm super happy about this. Finally, the GTR is awake. Okay, as you can see from the smile on my face and my expressions before, hey, we gained some power. Before we had the exhaust on, powerful run was 509 at the wheels. It was 630 something, but I did not use this. We had one that was like 638 or something. But as you can see, the Kline Innovation, even with the 100 cell cats, we gained 12 horsepower at the wheels. We got 521 at the wheels. And this is quite impressive. 655, which is 65.5 kg of torque. Hey, 2 thumbs up, big ups to Kline. Thank you, Felix. You guys are brilliant. All of you guys who are watching this, if you want to know more about Kline or if you're interested in Kline products, you can actually contact us at EMC. So our link is down below, so is the Kline link, but we can help you guys out no matter what. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna go run the car for a little bit. I want to, drive it around, let the exhaust settle in, and before we actually start tuning it, I might come back again, get another dyno, and see if it goes up more than 521, because that is a big possibility. We literally just installed it. It hasn't been broken in. I'm just very, very happy with the results. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Keep watching Empire Motor Club. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Keep watching for more GTR updates and stay tuned, literally, because the GTR tuning is just about to begin. Peace.